What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Pancake Swap, currently exploding right now, reaching this current resistance. And the reason why that is because in partnership with Binance, they're actually going to have a Pancake Swap mini program in the Binance mobile applications. Users can seamlessly use Pancake Swaps through the Binance app, attracting new central exchanges users. So this is actually very, very interesting and big reason why Pancake Swap is exploding. So we're gonna have a look at the price prediction. We're gonna do some TA on it. We're also gonna dive into Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king. But let's have a look on Pancake Swap on CoinMarketCap. First of all, we got 600,000 people on the watch list. That is enormous. That is a big number right now. 2 billion people, not 2 billion people. We got a $2 billion market cap, which is pretty crazy. TVL, total value locked, blah, blah. Sorry guys, of $4 billion, which is pretty good, and a 21% volume to market cap ratio, which is fantastic. So we went through the news already. Okay, we know what Pancake Swap is. It's a decentralized exchange like Uniswap. We went through the tweet. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the actual Pancake Swap price prediction and TA, let's dive into Bitcoin really quick. 1 to 2 minutes technical analysis. So first of all, we are right now in a pattern, in a horizontal pattern, symmetrical pattern, and we know that a symmetrical pattern is that when we do this and consolidate to the downside, we have two options. Either we break to the upside or we break towards the bottom. Okay, now because we are in a downward pattern or in a bear market, whatever you want to call it, we're most likely gonna break to the bottom. We had this nice little fake out right here, so I thought that this was gonna be it. Yesterday we had a beautiful bounce because the Feds announced that they were only gonna raise interest rate by 25 basis points instead of 50 or 75. So that was pretty good. But we know we have a few rejections right here, as you guys can see, a few wicks. So this support is holding pretty nicely. But the second we come below that, we're most likely going to come back and retest the $38,000 to $28,000 level. This is actually a very interesting level right here. I'm not going to be buying any crypto. Before anything, guys, it's not financial advice, but I will not personally be buying crypto until we reach this level right here, at least $30,000, which is right here. This is going to be my accumulation range. If if it goes below that, fantastic. If not, then whatever, it's not a big deal. But let's have a look on Pancake Swap real quick, guys. Short TA on the 1 hour time frame. We're also going to dive into the daily. So first of all, this announcement on Twitter was made approximately 55 minutes ago at 2 p.m. It's currently 3 by me right now. So as you guys can see, we had a nice little beautiful rejection right here. And why do we have this rejection? Because of this area right here. We had support, resistance, sorry. Now we know, okay, that once we have a resistance right here, this flips support. So if we were to essentially come above it right here and break and clean close above it, then this would be essentially the support. But we did not do that, unfortunately. So this is what's happening right now. But let's zoom out real quick. Let me take this real quick. Let's zoom out. So we know, guys, we've been in a crazy downtrend on Pancake Swap. I mean, yes, we've been in a bear market. From the local highs to the lows, we're currently down 84%. Is this a good buy? Yes. I'm not saying this is, of course, it's not financial advice. I'm going to be accumulating on Pancake Swap once Bitcoin goes to 30,000, because I know once Bitcoin goes to 30,000, we're most likely going to see Pancake Swap go down to $2 to $3. Maybe I'm exaggerating, maybe not, at least $4. Maybe we're going to come back and double bottom at the $5 region. But a lot of people are saying Bitcoin is bullish. We're going to have to wait on the breakout, and whatever happens, then we're going to see altcoins move, of course. But my price prediction for Pancake Swap Cake in the immediate short term, we're most likely going to see a pullback. Of course, after a fantastic announcement, we're probably not going to see it today, but I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a pullback today, tomorrow, in 2 days. It's going to be very interesting to see how things play out. And my long price prediction, I mean, guys, we could see Pancake Swap go back to the local highs. It's not a surprise. Let's see how much that would be from here. 560% is very doable. I mean, I think we could even go to $100 in the next bull market when Bitcoin, of course, goes to 100K, 130, 150,000. It's going to be very interesting. But right now, we are still and clearly in a downtrend. Did we break above this downtrend? I mean, yeah, the announcement did break this downtrend right here, this really aggressive downtrend, but I'm not gonna be FOMOing into this. The reason why that is because of this resistance right here. Our next resistance will most likely be this region right here, and then after that we can talk. But it's also very possible that we see something like this after the news and then come down. But my price prediction for Cake is $5. Come back down to $5 region. In the future, we're most likely going to see $100. This is it. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.